How to check Android phone activation date. The first thing you want to make sure is upon the activation date of your phone, you must successfully log into that specific date. Now, if you can still remember that you have used your Google account activating your device, then we can go ahead and check on when. So just pull up your Google Chrome browser and then head over to your Google account, type in Google account. And from here, you just have to click or to press on your profile picture right here at the top right corner, and then press manage your Google account. And then above, you'll have to choose on security. Now under security, you scroll down and then go to your devices right here. Now you will be able to see manage all devices and then just press on that. Upon pressing on that, just press on your very first device that you have activated through this phone. So this is where you will see on when specifically you activated your device. So mine was last March 7. So that's how you checked Android phone activation date.